Did you know you can make money on Instagram without creating your own products? That's right. With affiliate marketing, you can promote products that you love and make a commission out of every single sale. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to start your own affiliate marketing process on Instagram step by step. And if it's your first time in this channel, this is Boost Happy Dr. Amboi Gishigi. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and let's dive into it. First of all, let's talk about what is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn money by promoting products or services. When someone purchases a product through your unique link that you're promoting, you earn a commission. In short, think of it as getting paid to recommend things you already love. And you will ask, why choose Instagram among all other platforms to market your affiliate products? Instagram is perfect for affiliate marketing because of the visual appeal and the large number of audience base. But then you will ask me, where do I even start? The first thing you need to do is to choose your niche, and this will be your main area of focus when you're marketing products. Some of the most popular affiliate marketing niche are beauty, fitness, tech and gadgets, or even food and recipes. You can also choose to do health products if you're in the health field and you're able to create content that are helpful in the health field. But the best way to know which niche you should choose is to choose something that you're passionate about, or you know well, you're very versant with, because it will be easy to create content in that field, and also you'll be able to connect with your audience better when you have information about that specific product or that specific field or niche. Let's talk about finding affiliate programs. There's so many brands and platforms that have affiliate programs that are available to every single country in the world, or almost every single country in the world. By this I mean even the countries in Africa. For example, and this is one that I have been working with, is Amazon affiliate program. Amazon will let you promote each and every single product on Amazon as long as it's in accordance to their guidelines. Their process of signing up is quite simple. So you just sign up, you get a link, and then you promote it, and you're already ready to start sharing. So these are some of the global platforms that offer affiliate programs to even Africans or any other third world countries. We have Amazon Associates, we have ClickBank, we have Share a Sale, CJ Affiliate, Digital Store 24, and Partner Stack. And some of the African-focused affiliate programs include Jumia Affiliate Program, Konga Affiliate Program, Travel Start Affiliate Program, Betway Affiliate Program. But always remember, always choose a niche that aligns with your interest and also with the customers that you feel like you can be able to reach. The next step is setting up your Instagram account. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is come to your Google and search Instagram. Go to Instagram. It will tell you to log in. You can either use your personal page if you have not been using it, but you have to make it public after. Or if you have been using your Instagram page in a way that you cannot do affiliate marketing with it, you can totally open a different one, which I would totally advise you opening a new one, because of course a algorithm will pick a new account better than an old dormant one, to be specific. So it's better to open a totally different one than an old one that you opened years ago and you have not been posting anything. We'll say you don't have an account, so you will sign up, enter your email address. I'm not sure if I have an account with this email, but let's see. Create a password. When creating an Instagram account for affiliate marketing, whether you decide to use your full name or a niche related name, it will depend on your branding goals and also your targeting audience, whether you want to use personal brand, niche related brand, or even a combination. That will solely depend on you and your goals. So here I might decide to maybe call it beauty caps on budget, on a budget 254, and then I'll come and sign up. Let's save in case you want to change. Then we'll ask you to put your date of birth. I put mine so that you can send me a happy birthday and birthday gift when it's that time. Let's say this is not the correct one, but let's just guess a year that is, and then say next. It has sent a code to my email, so I'll come log into my email address, and here is the code. So I'll copy, come back and paste, and then next. So I had a problem with going forward after I entered my code that was sent to me by Instagram, but you can always reload and go back, and then it's going to tell you to log in because you have already created an account, as long as you have put the code. And so I just logged in, and here we are. This is an empty page with nothing. Let's say save for future reference, and we are in my account, new account, which is beauty on a budget. So once you create your Instagram account, the other thing that you want to do is optimize your account. And the first step is to change your profile picture, or to put a picture related or relevant to your topic or your niche. So what I will do is I'll go back to Canva. I hope you guys know how to use Canva. Canva, by this time, it should be your friend when you're doing affiliate marketing. So I'll come to Canva, log in. I already have an account. So if you don't have an account, please sign up. And if you have an account, you just log in. So, and what we need is an Instagram, as I said in my previous video on how to create profile picture for your Facebook page. What you want to do is be specific on what kind of thing you want Canva to create, so that it can give you the right measurements. So for this one is for Instagram, so I'll say Instagram profile photo or picture on beauty products. At the end of the day, don't forget this is an AI. It will give you exactly what you're asking it to give you. You just need to look for something that is free. If you see this icon, it tells you that it's pro, it's paid for, and you don't want something that is paid for. So you just keep looking until you find something that probably is a bit interesting for yourself. Also, Canva gives you a free trial. You can try the free trial for 30 days and you'll be able to create an amazing, like you can see this side, you can start your free trial for 30 days and you can be able to create amazing profiles using this pro. And if you're not in a position to pay for it, you can just leave it. I like this color. It's a bit eye-catching. So let's customize this, give it time to load, and then I like everything else except the picture, of course. So what I will do is delete the image. I'm not really sure what I'm doing, but I know you guys are better at design than I am, so I will leave that to you guys. And then once I'm done, I will just highlight, share, and then download again. It has already downloaded to my laptop, so I'll just go to my Instagram again, new there, and click it's the last one, open, and just like that you have a profile picture. Once you have updated your profile photo and you like it, you can always change. You go to edit profile, at least write something on your bio so that people can know what your account is all about. For my bio, I will come to ChatGPT, let it write a prompt for you on what you want to optimize. Let's say it's the bio, it has already written something for me. It just depends on the prompt that you have given it, and I will come and copy, then go and paste. And then you say female or male, depending on who you are and what you want to say, and then submit. So now that we have changed our bio, we have edited our profile and our bio is way much better. The other thing that I want you guys to do is at least post your first post. So what you'll do is come here and create from your computer. Depending, maybe it's just a welcome post. You can also go back to Canva and write first Instagram post on beauty products, on beauty. Of course, Canva will create some nice posts for you, and you can come and customize whatever you want. It's a first post, it has to be attractive. This is actually something I would have used for my profile picture. I like it that way, so I will just go and download. After that, you come back to your Instagram, start from your computer, pick the last one, open. Here it is, you go next. Nothing there. Then we want to add, of course, something about it. I will come back to ChatGPT. Here is the post for me. I copy, go back to Instagram and post. Let's pick the hashtags. I don't even know if hashtags really do anything on Instagram, but we'll just do it. And then after that, let's say share. So of course it will tell you your post has been shared, and that is that. So we have at least have our first post. So once you have posted your first post, it's going to come here. How you'll be adding your links now that you have a post is you can come and share to your story.
I don't know why I cannot do a story from this specific account. If you know, please leave me a comment on the comment section. Let me know where I'm supposed to click and I'm not clicking at this particular time. And also, so how you'll be sharing your links is you will come here to edit profile, and you can either, if you have blogs where you're blogging, you can add your website here. If you have Linktree where you'll be posting your link, your affiliate links, you can add it here on your bio. That way people will be clicking the link to get to the link and get to the product. What you can tell people when you're adding your caption, make sure you tell people here to find the link on your bio. So if they click the link tree on your bio, they're going to find the product link on your link tree. I am going to do a video on link tree so that you can be able to know how to create a link tree and also how to add it on your Instagram.
When you're starting an Instagram account, make sure you optimize your Instagram profile. Make sure your bio is clearly explains what you do and who you want to help. Always use a professional profile photo and include affiliate link or a link to your landing page in your bio. The next step is creating engaging content. In affiliate marketing, content is king. Content is king. Content is everything. Whatever content you're going to make will determine whether people are going to purchase products through your link or they're just going to peruse through and ignore whatever you're trying to promote. Always post very high quality photos, engaging reels, informative stories about the product you're trying to promote. If you happen to own the product, always show people how you use the product or how the product has made your life easier or better. And always remember, the more authentic you are, the better. And now that we have created a page, we have known what product we want to promote, we have known which programs to join, and we have also discovered how we are going to get to these links. Let's talk about promoting affiliate links. One thing you need to note, you have to promote your links wisely. One of the easiest way to promote your links without making Instagram suspicious is promoting your links in Instagram stories. Let's say, for example, you have posted a really nice workout gear on your Instagram post, and then you post this as a story, and on the story you link your affiliate link on the story. That way it will reach a lot of people, and still Instagram will see that you had already posted that post on your page without the link. So it's not easy to make Instagram feel like it's a suspicious post, if you get what I mean. The other way is to create a link tree. If you create a link tree, you can add this link tree to your Instagram bio. That way, even if you add those link trees to the link tree and someone clicks the link tree on your Instagram, they're able to find these products in your link tree, or they're able to find the links to the product in your link tree. Also, the good thing about linking your link tree on your Instagram bio is you're able to market multiple products or multiple links at once, because the moment someone clicks the link on your link tree, they're able to find a lot of attached links, and they're able to buy a lot of products from you using different links. So it does not necessarily have to be the link that you're promoting. It can be other old links or other new links that will come, but they will still be able to find them. And now that you have gone through all these steps, you have known what is affiliate marketing, you have learned how to choose a niche, you have learned how to choose what affiliate program is good for you, you have learned how to open an Instagram account and how to attach links and to create engaging content and how to promote your affiliate links. Let's talk about some of the success tips that will help you succeed in affiliate marketing on Instagram. Number 1 is being consistent. Number 2 is focus on quality over quantity. It does not matter how much you will post, but if you're posting quality content, people will engage with it more than you posting too much content that has no quality. Always engage with your audience by commenting or replying to their comments, also replying to their DMs, etc. And the last one is avoid spamming your followers. Don't promote too many products. You can create content and then just once in a while put that product that you can see, people can literally know you're promoting it. But most of the times, make sure you're just creating content that you can create a client or a follower base. Always balance your content with valuable non-promotional content. So today you post promotional content, 3 days from now you post another one, but in between post non-promotional but valuable content related to your niche. And the last one is mistakes to avoid when you're doing affiliate marketing on Instagram. Number one, do not promote products that you don't believe in. Because even if your customers or your clients ask questions about it, you need to know what to answer. Number two, avoid overselling. People can always tell when something is not genuine, and if they feel your page is not genuine, it's going to do more harm than benefit to you and to your career in affiliate marketing. And the last one is never forget to add value to your audience. So whatever content you're creating, make sure it's adding value to you and to your audience, because affiliate marketing is a win-win situation. It's the client wins by getting the product, and you win by earning a commission at the end of the process. And now that you know the steps, it's time to get started. Let me know in the comment section, what niche are you thinking of exploring? And if you're stuck, also let me know what niche you would think. If you have a couple of them, I will help you choose in the comment section. And don't forget, subscribe, like, and share this video with anyone that you think would like to make some money online. See you in the next one. Take care and God bless you. Goodbye.